Being an adventurer for me is about setting goals and pushing boundaries. It allows me to remove the shackles of life. When you're up in those mountains, it gives you that sense of freedom. Preparation is so important. Up on a mountain, we had 60-mile-an-hour winds. In isolation, we were climbing for roughly upwards of 8 hours. It was a real toll on my body. The body goes under a lot of stress when climbing, so I use the BioLight to help with my recovery. I use the chai pendant to keep my body energised before climb. The mental fortitude and physical preparation that I have prior to going up helped me getting up that mountain. The combination of the chai pendant and the biodisc has allowed my body to find its own equilibrium and allowed me to achieve things I never thought I actually would. Find your freedom.